Hello everyone, my name is Surabhi Singh and today I will discuss all the questions of the 2017 from the subject General Principle of Design, Drawing and Importance of Safety. Hope these questions will be helpful for you because UPSC always try to repeat their questions in coming sessions. So let's discuss all the questions of the 2017 prelims examination. The first question was asked, if a line is inclined to vertical plane and parallel to horizontal plane, then which of the following statement is always correct? This is very important question because the question is related to a drawing. First option is truth length equal to plane length. Second option is true length equal to elevation length. Third option is true length less than plane length. And the fourth option is vertical trace of the line is above the XY plane. So here the correct option is A, that is true length equal to plane length. The particular question has come from the topic drawing. I have covered the lecture series of General Principle of Design and the Importance of Safety. Soon I will cover the topic drawing. Now the next question is, if the radius of generating circle which is moving inside the directing circle is half of the radius of directing circle, the curve generated by a point on the circumference of the generating circle is, first option is a circle, second ellipse, third a straight line, fourth a spiral, and the correct answer is a straight line. Now move to next question. Next question is, a pentagon prism is lying on horizontal plane on one of its rectangular faces. When it is cut by the section plane, the largest possible thereof is. The answer is 7 edges. Next question is, the locus traced a point moving along a pendulum from one end to another. When the pendulum oscillates, a spiral, an involute, a cycloid, a helix. Correct answer is a spiral. That is option A. Next question is, if a thread is wound around a cone starting from one point on the base and brought back to the same point, then the shortest possible length of the thread is equal to the, first option is diameter of the base of the core, second slant height of the core, third largest chord of the development sector, fourth, length of the perpendicular from a corner of the development sector to the opposite edges. Correct answer is largest chord of the development sector. Now the next question is, a cone is resting with its base on horizontal plane. A section plane parallel to vertical plane cuts the cone. The section plane is some distance away from the center and does not pass through the apex. The true shape of the section is hyperbola, rectangle hyperbola, parabola, and the rectangle parabola. The correct option is rectangle hyperbola. Now the next question is, the failure of many structure, accident on the major highway, discharge of effluent which pollute river, dangerous gas emissions, these are attributed to. So all four these are different cases. How these are related to improper design, not adhering to proper maintenance practice. Third is lack of proper inspection and quality control during construction. Fourth is corruption amongst the several concerned individual, and the fifth is lack of public concern. So you have to choose which of the options, which of the among which of the options are attributed to all these four. So here all the five statements are, so here all the five statements are related to failure of many structure, accident on the major highway. So here the option is, here the options are missing. The correct option will be all 1 2 3 4 5, यानी आपकी जो पांचों ऑप्शंस हैं वो सारे ही करेक्ट हैं जो आपके चारों स्टेटमेंट को सेटिस्फाई करते हैं. The next question is, this question I have discussed in the particular section of the video where I have teach you what is the golden ratio, what are the applications of the golden ratio. The question is, it is the ratio of the difference of two numbers and the smallest number. Second option is, it is the ratio of the sum of two number and the smaller number. And the third option is, it is the ratio of sum of two numbers and the larger number. So hope you recall the video that I have explained that the Golden ratio is the ratio of the sum of two numbers and the larger number. So option B is correct. Now the next question has been asked, which of the following sector do comprehensive safety and health statutes for regulating occupational safety and health at workplace exist at present in India? That question I also covered in particular video. Hope you will get my point. And the options are mining, factory, port and agriculture, factory, mining, agriculture and construction. Third option is mining, factory, port and construction. So option C is correct because OSHA सेक्टर है वो आपका माइनिंग, फैक्ट्री, पोर्ट एंड कंस्ट्रक्शन को कवर करता है. Now next question I have also discussed in the particular section. Consider the following statement regarding safety during demolition of the multi-story building. Demolition need not processed story by story. When I had given a lecture on the demolition, I have covered the topic like in the demolition it is always necessary to demolish story by story. You cannot demolish the ground floor directly. You have to remove one story, then another from the top of the side. So demolition need not process stories by story. This statement is wrong. Second option is floor opening not used for material but should be enclosed with the adequate guards rails. Third option is before demolition start all the lath and choose plaster shall be stripped off throughout the building. Fourth option is adequate and well-stripped lateral bracing shall be provided for walls. So if you remove the first option, because this is not the correct, only the one option is left, that is C. 2, 3 and 4 all are correct. In 2017, 8 to 10 question has been asked. So engineering, drawing and safety was a more weighted side. The question is, consider the goals of the safety policy of a company, at once designating also the responsibilities and authority for their achievement. Safety of employee and the public at large, really this is right. Efforts to be made to involve all managers, supervisor and employees in the development and implementation of the safety. Options are 1, 2. This is not the third option. This is third option, cleaning and all caveats. Now third option is clearing of all the caveats they may tell on keeping the morale of the employee high. So this all the options are correct, hence the option A is correct. Now the question of 2017 is, which one of the following statement is correct in development of lateral surface of solid? First option is the development of right cone is triangle. Triangulation is the recommended method in the development of prism, that is option B. Option C is development of the lateral surface of a right circular cylinder is rectangle. Fourth option is the elements of the elliptical cone are equal in length. So option C is correct. The development of the lateral surface of right a circular cylinder is rectangle. Now the next question is, consider the following statement regarding V-belt drive. The groove angle of the sleeve is less than bolt section angle. Second option is the efficiency of V-belt drive is higher than that of a flat belt drive. Third option is the groove angle is so made that the belt gets wedges in the groove. So here all the options are correct. So the option A will be the right answer. Now the question is, the purpose of boring operation in relation to a drilling operation is. So boring operation का basically काम क्या है? Enlarge the drilled hole. ये question basically आपका quality से भी related है. So these are the questions of 2017. In the next video, I will discuss all the question of 2018 and 19 from the subject engineering, design, drawing and the safety. Thank you.